What is baking soda? Uses, health benefits, side effects. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, is a white crystalline powder with various uses and benefits. It has been used for centuries for culinary, cleaning, and medicinal purposes. Here are some of its common uses, health benefits, and potential side effects. Uses. Baking. Baking soda is a leavening agent used in baking to help dough and batter rise, making baked goods light and fluffy. Cleaning. Baking soda is an effective and natural household cleaner. It can be used to scrub surfaces, remove stains, deodorize carpets, and more. Deodorizing. Baking soda is excellent at neutralizing odors. It can be used in refrigerators, shoes, litter boxes, and other smelly areas to eliminate unpleasant smells. Oral health. Baking soda can act as a mild abrasive and is sometimes used as an ingredient in toothpaste to help remove plaque and whiten teeth. Heartburn and indigestion. Baking soda can work as an antacid to relieve heartburn, acid indigestion, and upset stomach when ingested in proper doses. Health benefits. Kidney health. Some studies suggest that baking soda may help improve kidney function and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acidity in the blood. Exercise performance. Some athletes use baking soda as a performance-enhancing supplement, as it may buffer lactic acid buildup during intense exercise and delay fatigue. Side effects. Sodium content. Baking soda is high in sodium, so excessive consumption can contribute to increased sodium levels in the body. People on sodium-restricted diets or with high blood pressure should be cautious about consuming too much baking soda. Alkalosis. Taking large amounts of baking soda can cause metabolic alkalosis, a condition where the body becomes too alkaline. Symptoms may include nausea, vomiting, headache, and muscle twitching. Gas and bloating. In some people, baking soda consumption can lead to increased gas and bloating. Interaction with medications. Baking soda can interact with certain medications, such as antacids, blood pressure medications, and some antibiotics. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda as a remedy if you are taking any medications. Note: while baking soda offers some health benefits and has various uses, it's important to use it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional before using it as a remedy, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are on medications. Overall, baking soda can be a useful and versatile addition to your home, but it should be used wisely and safely. Always follow the recommended dosages and usage guidelines to avoid any adverse effects.